start off with a finished product of this extra room that we put in, and it's we got just about everything in it right now. Just show you some of the details of the thing. There's the bookcases already up. The new computer is in. The television set, we've got it in now. The desk is in. The couch has been completely finished. The two chairs we got for viewing TV, and we got a little oak end table right over here that we have just purchased and put that in. Other than that, fan is in, lights, and believe it or not, we're in. We got a temperature of about 6 degrees outside, and it is cold. A different view of it. I'm over here on by the bookcases now, and taking a shot of the desk, and then in the little bathroom. That's turned out real nice. The bathroom itself got a whirlpool in it, and I hope I can make it through this door without bumping onto something. Inside the toilet, since we finally got water in, put me a little television set in here to make it as comfortable for an old man as possible. And lights overhead. And this is quite comfortable. Everything seems to be working. That's unusual on a project like this. I'm doing here is shooting this inside this little recreational room that we have added on here. I put Ned a walker in. I got tired of people wanting to know what I was going to name it, so she's doing her exercise here now. That's the old XT computer over there that I got to put a control card in. We're going to give that to some of the kids over here at the colleges as soon as I get through. Now I'm going to take off and go outside here now. Hope I got enough tape left. Outside here now, I'm trying to take a picture shot in the shade here so the sun won't affect it. But this is
the red light's not on.
So, well, that just screwed me up. The recording is on now, and I'm trying to record some of this snow out here. And if you see it, this is what it looks like from my driveway, and that's the Buick, all covered in snow and ice. Plenty of snow and ice all over everything out here. I thought you